Hey everybody, Sylvia K here, and right now I'm getting ready to make some apricot bread for some Christmas gifts for my friends. So what I have in here, I have 1 cup of warm water, and I added 1 package of yeast, and right now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the flour mixture that I made. I have 4 cups of flour, about 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt that I've mixed up, and I'm just going to add 1.5 cups in here right now and mix it all together. Doesn't have to be exact. After this is all mixed up, I'm going to cover this and let it rest for half an hour. Okay, it's been a half an hour, and I've put on the dough hook. Now I'm going to add 2 store-bought eggs for this, because my chickens are on strike. They're molting. I'm not going to say a whole lot anymore in my videos, because apparently there are a lot of snowflakes out there that if you say the wrong thing, boy, they just click that unsubscribe button. So I apologize to all the snowflakes, and if you don't understand my sense of humor, well, that's just too bad. Now that these are mixed real well, I'm going to start adding my flour mixture. I'm going to add my ground cardamom too. Scrape my bowl down. So I'm going to let this machine knead this for 8 minutes, and then after 8 minutes I'm going to add my apricots, and then I'm going to knead it for 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to put it in a grease bowl and let it proof for about an hour. Now I just added about 3/4 cup of chopped apricots to this. dried apricots. Now I put my dough in a oiled pot here, and I'll put it in the Instant Pot and let it proof in there. And if you find that you need to add a bit more flour to this dough mixture, go ahead, because sometimes it can, depending on the weather, it can be a real sticky dough, so add some more flour to it if need be. These are cardamom pods that I grew myself, so right now I'm going to open up these pods, and this is what's inside the pods. There are these black seeds, and this is green cardamom. It's in the ginger family, but I'm going to grind up these seeds to a powder so I can add it to my bread that I'm making. Okay, I've ground these up, and this is what they look like, and they taste absolutely nothing like the insipid powdered cardamom that you get at the grocery store, which is very expensive. Cardamom's about 4th most expensive spice in the world, but it has a very pleasant, unique flavor, and it has many uses, mostly used in bread and also teas. But if you ever get a chance to buy some green cardamom pods or grow it yourself, please do, because it's really a delightful spice. Okay, I let my dough rise about an hour, and I kneaded about 3 minutes. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. You bake this at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then you bake it another 30 to 35 minutes at 375. Now I divided my loaves into 2, and then I rolled out 3 ropes for each one and braided them. And so now I'm going to let them rise here covered for about a half an hour or so. And then I'm going to egg wash them and bake them. Okay, so I just took these out of the oven, and I let them bake for 25 minutes. And now I'm going to let them cool, and I'm going to glaze them with a vanilla glaze. And these are really easy to make, and I hope somebody will try these for the holidays or anytime. This is my other loaf, but the sun's shining on it. Anyway, I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.